What's going on, guys? Welcome back, and thank you very much for tuning back in. And if it's your first time, welcome. We really appreciate your support, and we really appreciate you guys watching every single video and all the comments and all the thumbs up. It's all helpful for us to keep going and doing what we do for you guys. In this episode, it's kind of weird because we've already filmed quite a few different improvements that we've done on the E30. In this episode, we're actually doing the seat I guess replacement or repair. I guess seat repair would make more sense. There was a giant gash in the driver's seat on their E36 seats that we have in this car, and it was disgusting. It was so ugly. Obviously, we didn't want to put a couple $100s to reupholster them, so we found some skins at the junkyard from another E36 that were the same exact ones and in way better shape. Before I show them to you, you guys got to see how I did it, and don't fast forward. Just try to sit through it because I know you guys want to know how to do it. So enjoy, you guys.
So yummy.
He's a grown boy.
So yummy. I'm gonna eat it. Come here.
No, don't eat Schwartz food, boy. He needs his vegetables.
Come here, baby. Oh, good boy. If you guys don't already know, we have a shop cat. Schwartz Metallic is his name, Mr. Schwartz. We gave him some food one day and he never stopped crying and whining whenever we get here.
I wonder why.
So you'll see much more content from Mr. Schwartz. He's going to be aiding us in our builds. I think he's going to be a crucial member of the Super Beamer Bros. He's the third brother.
Or a component.
Yeah, he's a component. He's the module to our system.
All right, guys, there you have it. The seats are in and they're fixed. They look great, and honestly, this is a really awesome option for you guys out there that have really bad, ratty, torn up E30 seats that are probably going to cost hundreds of dollars to fix. And it is worth the money, don't get me wrong, but when you have the money, or when you don't have the money I should say, it's not a very viable option. You can spend less than, I don't know, $150 on getting some decent E36 seats and getting them to fit into your E30, and that's what we've done here. And honestly, I don't see any other option for a long time. I have another set of E30 seats that I have to reupholster, and it's not worth it to me right at this moment when I can just do E36 seats all day and they look great. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you loved it as much as I loved filming it for you guys, and I hope it actually helps somebody out there. If you guys have any other seat options that fit in this car, link it down below, honestly, or if you've made a video, link it down below and share with the community. I mean, that's all we're trying to do here, is share all this stuff with the community so that everyone can have options for their projects. It's probably the best way to share this awesome knowledge with our E30 and BMW community all together. You guys, thank you very much. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.